Hi everyone. Big release is finally here, and today I want to take you through some of the changes that we did for the employer revamp. I'm going to start with the dashboard. This is a fresh new look and feel, and it is totally responsive. So this means an employer is able to access this on their phone. What we also changed is the menu. So we now have a dashboard style navigation. So this enables you to find everything that you need. And it is also sticky, means you can access everything you need without it having to collapse. Where do I sign out from? You can sign out from here. With these three dots, you get the sign out option, the account settings, company page. So if you want to collapse this, you just click anywhere on the screen. The content that you're displaying on this page is personalized and more suited to the user. Also, what we've done, we've leveraged the visibility of the Help Center articles. So when you click on this icon, it populates. When you click on notifications, it shows you if you have any. Let's look at the poster job flow and what we have done. So the poster job flow is now more focused and it has a step-by-step functionality. The reason we've done this is to make the user not feel like they have a lot of tedious work to do. Also, the good thing that we've done is that this screen, it scales down depending on how a user scrolls. So if I click on select on compare product, it's going to open up. If I do that, screen goes back to how it was. Also, what we've added is a smart feature that tells you the number of credits you need for a particular job. If this was zero, you would have gotten a tooltip here that tells you why you have zero or if you have a negative. So it tells you a why. So for example, let's look at a basic job. Yes. So this gives you why you have a negative. Also, what we've done, the step-by-step functionality, it dynamically updates if you add another step. So let's say you want to add a skills assessment at the end. It's going to add step number 4 and it's going to call it skills assessment. This is how the new poster job feature looks like. Let's look at the ATS and what we've changed. So we come here to all jobs. On the job card, what we've done, we've added quick links. So these are quick links. So when you click on shortlisted or scheduled for an interview, it's supposed to take you directly to that part. So we're removing the number of clicks a user has to click to get to where they are. Also, what we've enabled a user to do, you're able to search your listings by text. You can filter by your job type and you can filter them by status. So I want to view all those that are in draft. You click here, you'll view them, or those that are online, and so forth. So let's look at how a job now looks like. If I click on a sales representative, this is how the ATS now looks like, the overview. We've changed the look and feel as well, also very responsive, and we've also changed the layout of the JD and the job details. So on this side, this is where you're able to see the smart filters. Let's go to the applicants. For the applicants, we've removed the 3 columns. You're now focusing on 2. Now, a few things we've changed over here. You're able to view the swim lanes. This just gives you an overview of what you're doing on your screen. And then we have the applicant filters. The filters, we've removed the ability to click search. So it filters automatically to shorten your work. So let's say highest qualification, I want a diploma. It's going to filter immediately, brings me everyone who has a diploma. As you continue to do that, it filters for you on this side. Another thing we've added is the ability to rate a candidate. So, for example, I'm viewing a candidate, I decide maybe you're a maybe. So, if I come up here and I've done that for several candidates, I come here and I click maybe, it's going to show me everyone who I rated as maybe. So, this is just for faster processing of candidates and makes your work easier. Also, on this part, you're able to quickly email a candidate, shortlist them, or reject them there and then. Now, this is how the new UI looks like. So I hope it's going to be easy to understand. And lastly, let's look at the company page. So when you come here, the company page, this is how it looks like when it's populated. We want to ask the employers to actually fill it so that if a user or a job seeker is decides to look at the company page, they're able to see everything about the company. So we have the edit company page. If it was not populated, we would have seen save changes here. So this is how it looks like when it's populated. So try and find time and familiarize yourself with the new UI so that you're able to explain to an employer what goes where. And if you have any question, please reach out to me and I'll be able to take you through. But this is the new change. I'm hoping that the people will be able to adapt quickly. It's very minimal change. It's huge change, but it's something that we needed to do. We needed to have it more of a dashboard setting and like a web app setting. So I'm hoping that you'll be able to familiarize yourself. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. Thank you.